Hello everyone, my name is Yden Fernandez, and in this video we're going to talk about friction. First, what is friction? Friction is the resistance to motion of one object moving relative to another. It is not a fundamental force like gravity or electromagnetism. Instead, scientists believe it is the result of electromagnetic attraction between charged particles in two touching surfaces. There are four types of friction: static, sliding, rolling, and fluid friction. Static, sliding, and rolling friction occurs between solid surfaces. Fluid friction occurs in liquid and gases. Static friction acts on objects when they are resting on a surface. For example, if you are hiking in the woods, there is static friction between your shoes and the trail each time you put your foot down. Without friction, your feet would slip out from underneath you. Sliding friction is friction that acts on objects when they are sliding over a surface. Sliding friction is weaker than static friction. That is why it's easier to slide a piece of furniture over the floor after you start moving it than it is to get it moving in the first. Rolling friction is friction that acts on objects when they are rolling over a surface. Rolling friction is much weaker than sliding friction or static friction. This explains why most forms of ground transportation use wheels. Fluid friction is friction that acts on objects that are moving through a fluid. A fluid is a substance that can flow and take the shape of its container. Fluids include liquid and gases. If you've ever tried to push your open hand through the water in a tub or pool, then you've experienced fluid friction. You can feel the resistance of water against your hand. The faster or larger a moving object is, the greater is the fluid friction resisting its motion.